So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, we have a MacBook. Let's get right into the unboxing. So as you see, it comes off very smoothly. This is the box, by the way. Sorry about the barking, that's my dogs. So guys, here is my MacBook. I got a MacBook for my birthday. So, yeah. This is the MacBook. The MacBook Air, guys. The MacBook Air. So, let's put the MacBook aside and then check what's in the box. So obviously you get your, because I got it in silver, I got matching Apple stickers. Obviously it comes with this cable, this long cable, and then this beautiful brick from Apple. How's this? USB-C to magnetic cable. Obviously it's already been set up because I actually got it for my birthday, funny enough, yeah. It's actually the most amazing thing. Like, I could actually sit on my MacBook all day. It's like, my MacBook's not what I enjoy, guys. I don't know why I'm saying that. But yeah, guys, let's put the box aside quickly. What's in the box and go back in the box. All fall out of the little paper thingy. Sorry about all the talking, by the way. But yeah, this is my MacBook Air with the brick. Well guys, I'm just plugging my MacBook in here for a sec. Sorry about that. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. And then we look at our MacBook. So this is a 13-inch. Let me just move this aside. Put it on top of the printer. Okay. So this over here is a 13-inch MacBook Air. So we open it. And we immediately greeted by the Apple logo. Obviously, my MacBook has already been set up. So, yeah. You can't see this on screen, but this is my MacBook, guys. And obviously, so you guys can see what I'll do. Now plug it in. It goes like this. Then that means it's charging. But guys, why are all these apps opening? But yeah, guys, this was the unboxing of my Mac. If you are new and haven't subscribed yet, my next unboxing will be my Apple iPad. So, I mean, not my Apple iPad, sorry about that one. My Apple Watch, I'm getting a new Apple Watch on Wednesday, the Apple Watch SE. So yeah, please make sure you subscribe. Okay, bye guys.